This episode's titled Shocking the Snore Queen. Enjoy the video.
Alright, Snore Queen, you thought you hate Sidonians. Well, she uploaded a video on the 26th of December 2024 that would shock you. Here it is.
Oh my god, they added endless number snoring effects? Oh my lord, I can't believe it existed. My rapture came true!
Woo! Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for.
Did you hear those sounds? She inserted endless numbers snoring effects just to surprise you.
Of course I know! It's shocking! Stay tuned for episode 789.